Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Daily basis automatically you will receive calls in this chart. For example, today October 28 at 9:52 a sell call generated. Red color candle open, sell at 41,415 is the entry point. On daily basis you will receive calls in live market like this only. Today market opening was gap up only, but previous day a buying momentum begin. So due to that follow up of the previous day, market didn't provide any buy call, but today first fresh call is this sell call only. On daily basis it will analyze the candle movement. Once the breakout confirm, it will provide the calls immediately in live market. If it's a sell call, red color candle will open, buy call, green color candle will open. From open point the candle color is fixed and you will get the open point as the entry point line. For target, as you can see, for sell call below red color lines are the target line, above line is the stop loss line, and for buy call it's a opposite only. If you want to know more about our chart means you can watch our previous day daily videos, because on daily basis we are uploading how calls are generating in this chart and how it's performing also. Previous day videos you can watch in our channel buy sell signals. Let's come to today's sell call. So today's sell call is 41,415, that is our entry point, and the first target range is more than 100 point, 41,311. So that is almost a 104 point. Let's wait and see how the market react for this sell call. It was a very slow momentum, very slow movement, but still the sell call tried to reach the first target range within 1 hour of the sell call generated and finally break out the first target also. The market was traveled very slow momentum. As you can see, the call begin at 9:52, but as you can see the candles are very slow movement, just 10 point movement, 5 point movement, but still it within the trading range and finally break out the first target. Coming week expiry, so it's a option chart, 41,000 put option. Due to it's a sell call and due to a heavy premium, we are watching out of the money put option. In put option at 300 range the buy call generated and market move all the way up to the 350 range. So a 50 point momentum given in the out of the money option chart. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.